I went shopping for Little Hearts and Crafts, and I'm so excited to show some of the stuff. Now, I left my list at home, so I didn't get everything, but after reviewing the list when I got back home, I realized that there's not a lot of stuff that I missed, so I'm excited. So I want to show you what I got. I put it all in this bag. Let's see, and we're gonna get into it. I got 8 of these gift boxes, 8 of each color. So I got 8 pink and 8 red. And this is for the DIY jewelry box. So what they're gonna do is they're gonna decorate the lid. They can also decorate like the side of the lid. So that's the first craft or the first item that I'm showing. So the librarian emailed me because I had asked her to send me a picture of the event space, because I just wanted to see how I was going to lay out everything and like how I was going to decorate. And I just wanted to know how big the room was. Then she ended up telling me that there's going to be, I think, 2 boys that signed up, and most of my crafts are geared, well, all of my crafts really is geared towards girls. So I'm like, I got to get something for the boys. And so I got 2 crafts just in case. These are the 2 crafts I got for the boys. And then obviously if girls want to do it too. But I just wanted to get something more universal for the boys so that they're not doing like crafts that are super, super girly. Okay. So the next thing that I got was these scrapbook papers. So I got embellishments for the jewelry box. So I got these. These are blue and green flat back gems. Obviously, I had to get some pink. It's light pink and like a hot pink in there, and gold. And then I also got some rainbow letter beads so that they can, like, if they want to put their names on it. So the other craft that I'm going to do is to decorate your hair accessories, which is turned out just to be headbands. And so I got these pom-pom yarn pom-poms. I think they'll be so cute to put on the headbands. I'll show you a picture of the headbands. The last thing I got from Michael's is glue. It's like a little sample pack, and so I'm going to see which one sticks the best. At Target, I got some more of the pom-poms, but these are more like colorful, because I know there's girls who are like, I don't really like pink. So I gave them some options. Okay, fine. Every girl doesn't like to have pink. I love pink, so I can't relate. Next, from Target, I got bags for them so they can take their crafts home. I got these hot pink ones, and I was gonna get a lighter pink too, which I might go back and get one more because this is 12. So yeah, I got these bags so the kids can take home their crafts, and yeah, I might keep this one and just drape. Oh no, we gonna see. But yeah, that's all I did. Hopefully you can hear good, because this mic, it don't clip the way I want it to clip, and it's like leaning on my shirt. Hopefully it doesn't sound too bad, because I just recorded a whole video. But I'm about to show my list of things that I need that I needed to get that I left at home. And so tomorrow I'm gonna finish off that list. And then I think on Friday or Saturday, I'm gonna buy all the snacks. And that's really it. Oh, and the things like napkins and all that type of stuff. Like the other stuff. But we'll talk about that on the day that I buy it. So let me get the list. So this is a list that I created of everything. So for the DIY pom pom headbands, I got the pom poms, I got the glue to test, And then I got the plastic or satin headbands, which, oh, I forgot to show you. I got to show you those. Um, then for the DIY jewelry storage box, got the heart boxes, got the rhinestones, got the beads, got the pom poms, got the glue, and the lining for the box. So I finished that whole craft. And then extra craft stations, the DIY Valentine Day cards and DIY bracelets. The library is supplying beads. I think I just got to buy the elastic string. For the Valentine's Day cards, the library is providing the construction paper, markers, and all that type of stuff. And I just need to get probably glue sticks, some more scissors, markers. Um, so yeah, I basically got everything for the two main crafts. Um, yeah, the librarian also emailed me and let me know that she got some snacks. Like she got a lot of snacks. She got water, and yeah, there's not a lot of snacks I need to get, so that is a plus. Very happy about that. And let me show the headbands that I chose. So these are the headbands I went with. Hopefully it's not like weird. But yeah, those are the headbands I went with. And it's about 36, I think. 30. It's a lot. I'm obviously not going to use them all, but I might let the girls make two. Um, but yeah, so that's everything. As you can see, I thought I was tripping and didn't get a lot of stuff, but I actually did get everything I needed. I just want to make sure for the DIY Valentine's Day cards that everything is that I really, you know, think that through and make sure that I don't need to buy anything else. I'm gonna double check with the librarian when she emailed me back to make sure that she still has the supplies that she said. And then like even if those two, like the jewelry making section and the Valentine's Day card doesn't work, I got these two crafts, and they're this one's 4 plus. So for the younger people, oh, so I wanted it to be 5 to 12, and so two of the kids is under 4 or under what 5, they're 4. So this would be a good craft for them because this is 4 and older, so they can do this one while the bigger kids do other things. And yeah. So yeah, I'm excited. It's more than enough crafts for everyone. And I don't really need to get anything else. Like that's really, oh my gosh, I was stressing myself out. But again, the only things that I will need to purchase now the paper list I showed you was just like I was at work and I'm like I need to simplify this because this digital list is driving me a little insane just because it was a little overwhelming because shopping while like I'm in work mode, it's a lot because I'm already consumed by work that I need something more simplified, and it was kind of driving me nuts. So I said and I'm just looking at my digital list that I created. I said for the friendship bracelets, I wanted to get heart beads and assorted beads, but she has all the beads. Like she sent me a picture of the beads, and they're they're beads. Like they're good. Let me see if I can find that email. I mean, I know I can find it. Let me bring it up. So she told me that's the craft paper. Let me make sure no none of her information's in there. Yeah, okay. None of her information is in this email. So this is a craft paper that she has. Um these are the beads. Like, let me make sure email not in there. Hello. These beads are good. That's perfect for friendship bracelets. Perfect for friendship bracelets. Um this is the construction paper. And they did end up making a um flyer for they did end up making a flyer for the library. So very basic, but I think they it had to be that way because of the library. Um let me see if there's any other pictures. And this is the room. Like, it's a nice size room. Just one picture. That's a nice size room. So that is T. And so this is what she said. I also got the following for this Sunday. I'm so sorry if you cannot hear. I forgot I have this on. 2 cases of 12-ounce bottled water, 24 bottles per case. That's a lot of water. 2 boxes of individual bags of chips, 18 bags per box, so that's 36. 3 boxes of 3 boxes of cookies, Chips Ahoy, Girl Scouts, and strawberry Java cake cookies. I never heard of those. Um, and so yeah, that's so exciting. Like, I cannot wait. And I feel like, oh, that I'm getting everything. I feel so much better. And as far as like for the crafts again, for the Valentine's Day cards, I said that I wanted construction paper, stickers, markers, crayons, decorative paper, glue sticks, and washi tape. So from this list, I just need to get some stickers maybe. Um, I really think that she has markers and crayons, but I'm gonna double check. But it's nothing to buy markers and crayons. Um, dollies, I said I was gonna get, but I don't really need to. Decorative paper. I can buy another. Hold on. For decorative paper, I can buy another one of these, like a different print, and that can be used also, or just use this. It's not a whole classroom of kids. Um, glue sticks and washi tape. So again, all I need to probably get is stickers, markers. I don't want to do crayons. Markers, glue sticks, and washi tape. So 4 more things from the design your own card. But again, all these crafts might not even begin to because it's 4 hours. I mean 2 hours. Design your own dream jewelry box. I have everything except I said butterflies, flowers, but no. I got everything for that. Hair accessories, I got everything for that. I might get ribbon, like if they want to tie a cute ribbon on it, but that's not the idea that I was going for. So I don't know about that. I got everything for the hair accessories then. And then there's a welcome station, a refreshment station. So I need to make those signs. Um, I need to make the name tags. I need to oh, that's it for the welcome station. For a refreshment station, I need hand sanitizer, like napkins, paper or no, I'm not gonna do paper towels. I'll do napkins. I'm gonna do wet wipes, a tablecloth. Um, yeah, I already got the bags so they can take home their crafts. Um, this week, all I need to do is I'm a little behind, so I need to create the sample crafts. I need to make like pre-package some of the arts and craft, like already separate the crafts that are pre-made or like all the things to put together and do that so that it's easy instead of just like opening it up there and then like dispersing it out. And I need to find like cute containers and stuff for the like all the decorations and stuff. I probably will end up like Target has these super cheap containers and stuff that come in like 2 in a pack, 3 in a pack. I'm gonna just use those. Um, I didn't add that on a list, but I just thought about that. So that can go with like pre-packaging. I need to make all of the station signs, which is just all the craft stations, the welcome station, and the snack station, refreshment station rather. What else I need to do? Purchase the rest of the refreshments. I already created a playlist. Um, I need to. I already mentioned the name tags. Send a reminder to the registered participants. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. And what else I need to do? What would be left is packing everything up. Yeah, and that's really it. So we are 5 days away. I'm excited. I am not freaking out. I'm not freaking out as like I thought I would. So I'm really excited for this event. And it's gonna be first of many. First of many. But yes, I'm excited. All right. Bye.